Hello, my name is Tim, and I'm the author of Model Railroad Switch List and Manifest Formatter, a program that offers a number of formatting options for your manifests and switch lists created by JMRI. In today's video, I just want to briefly go over one particular feature of the program, and that's the auto process feature. But first, let's look at how the program works in the manual mode. So in a manual mode, you would go into your JMRI screen and build a train. In this case, we're building train 220. So we hit the build. And when you do this and you have your options in JMRI set up here to generate the CSV for the manifests, then once you build a train, the CSV is built. So then you would come over to MR Formatter, click on Process a Manifest File, look in the files here, and that was train 220 that we processed or built, and click Open, and based on your settings, preference settings in the program, it will build a manifest for that train. So we can see here that we had a locomotive pickup, 5 cars to pick up, and then set back out once we got to our destination. So that's all pretty straightforward and simple, but it does take a number of clicks. So if you were building a number of trains, you'd spend a number of clicks moving back and forth from building trains to processing trains in order to create your paperwork for your operators. So to streamline this, we set up the auto process feature. Now what this does, in your preferences, you've chosen the path of your CSV files for manifests and switch lists. And these should be the same folders that JMRI is storing your CSVs in. So you set these up, and with those options set and all of the other options set the way that you want them for your documentation, you would simply click the auto process button. And now at this point, you can minimize and move the program out of the way, come into JMRI. Let's build train 10 this time. And the program automatically senses the CSV when it was created, and based on your preference settings, builds the manifest for that train. And so you can just do your work in JMRI, and MR Formatter will process your documents and publish the PDFs for you automatically as you go without any further action from you. Now, if you wanted to have your documents printed automatically, you could also click this button here, and that will, once it automatically senses the file and creates the PDF, it would automatically route it to your system's default printer if that's how you want to do it. I typically just have it open them, then that gives me the opportunity in Adobe Acrobat to review the file, make sure, yeah, this is a file that I want to print, and then I can manually print it. But once you've used the system for a while, if you decide that you know that you're going to want to print these, you can go ahead and click this button, and that will automatically print them for you to save you a little bit more time. So that concludes this video, just to cover the auto processing feature. Look for other videos in the future on how to use other features of the program. And thanks for listening.